Leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, has upped the ante over voter theft claims, but the Election Commission has fact-checked him once again. Amid the political showdown, the opposition is set to hold a major protest today. Rahul Gandhi's new Vote Chori website doubled down on the allegations of vote theft, calling on citizens to show support for his call for digital voter rolls. Meanwhile, the Election Commission released fresh proof that the document shown by the Congress leader about a Bengaluru voter, Shakun Rani, voting twice was fake and not issued by the polling officer. The poll body has demanded Rahul Gandhi to back his claims with real proof and not fake data. Earlier, the Election Commission moved the Supreme Court, asserting that no voter is deleted without prior notice. The Election Commission also refused to release names of voters deleted from Bihar. The Congress party has clarified that Rahul Gandhi cited Election Commission's own data and condemned the Election Commission's refusal to release names and CCTV images, alleging that the poll body is erasing proof of fraud. But the BJP has backed the Election Commission's response, calling on Rahul Gandhi to walk the talk and submit all details under oath.
Now EC has given him a notice, whereas whatever has been now at public domain, it is clearly shows that the claim of Mr. Rahul Gandhi is totally false. It is bogus. Whatever document is being asked by the Chief Electoral Officer of Karnataka, that he should place before it. Otherwise, whatever he has said in those 2 hours press conference and 2 hour dharna, that's all. We have to come to a conclusion that it is bogus.
राहुल गांधी हमेशा संवैधानिक संस्थाएं, चाहे वो माननीय हाईकोर्ट, सुप्रीम कोर्ट हो, ईडी हो, सीबीआई हो, चुनाव आयोग हो, चुनाव आयोग की ईवीएम मशीन हो, उनके खिलाफ प्रतिकूल टिप्पणी करने की उनको आदत पड़ गई है। विदेशी वोट और ऐसे लोगों को मतदाता बनाने के लिए वो पूरा मानसून सत्र भेंट चढ़ा दिया उन्होंने।
Rahul Gandhi's vote thefting issue has become damp squib. It has failed. Madhepura people have given a befitting reply to the falsehood claim of Rahul Gandhi. I think Rahul Gandhi should apologize to the Madhepura people as well as to the nation to misguiding the people of Karnataka as well as misguiding the people of India and bringing discredit to the constitutional bodies like Election Commission.
Thank you. The Congress party today is a very disgruntled party. After repeated losses under Rahul Gandhi has lost every election since he became the leader of the Congress. And the Congress party is in a churn. To distract the Congress party leadership, to distract the Congress party workers, Rahul Gandhi manufactures these controversies. Everybody who today is in politics knows that the electoral rolls are available to every political party for scrutiny before elections. Now, if Rahul Gandhi doesn't know it because he's on vacation all the time, Rahul Gandhi should stop taking vacations in Thailand and Vietnam and wherever else he goes, sit down and understand how electoral rolls are done.
I think the ECI is only hurting its own reputation by not showing the facts and not coming out transparently to the people of India.
हाँ, राहुल जी का जो बम फूटने पर चुनाव आयोग जो वेबसाइट बंद किया है, उसके महाराष्ट्र, मध्य प्रदेश, बिहार और राजस्थान, ये 4 स्टेट, मध्य प्रदेश, राजस्थान, बिहार, महाराष्ट्र, ये पूरी तरीके से जो डिजिटल वोटर लिस्ट गायब कर दी गई है, पूरी तरीके से गायब कर दी। क्यों गायब कर दी गई है भाई? इसका मतलब चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका, चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका। ये साबित हो गया कि राहुल जी ने जो बात उठाई थी वो पूरी तरीके से वो हमारी कहावत चरितार्थ होती कि चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका है।